Hello, welcome to Maintenance with Matt. My name is Matt Ryan from Ryan Automall. I've put together a series of short videos to help you maintain your vehicle at home. I believe a minute of maintenance can save you hours of heartache. Today we're going to take a look under your hood and check your brake fluid. The brake fluid reservoir is see-through and has a yellow cap with a symbol that looks like a set of brakes. It really looks like a circle with two semicircles outside of it. The reservoir is filled with either .3 or .4 brake fluid, which is indicated on the cap. If you have any doubt, check your specification page in your owner's manual to see what type you have. The brake fluid should be between the minimum and the maximum marks on the reservoir. If it is low, it is for one of the following reasons. The first is a leak in the brake system, and if there is a leak, the brakes may not work well. The other reason the level may not be at max is because your brakes are worn. When your brakes are replaced, the fluid level will go back up. If you do want to add fluid, you want to make sure that you clean the outside of the container and along with the cap before removing it. You want to do this to make sure that no contaminants drop into the reservoir. If you have any concerns with your brake system, make sure to call your trusted repair facility. That's today's Minute of Maintenance with Matt. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more tips, just hit the subscribe button.